junior amadi colleague punamakpu ai lintana thagachari being aisu all boy amoina ai yam thagachai tawribasi khoi sainik ki legacy courage excellence perseverance sigum sing si khoi ningsangaga akhoi si collective hoiba spirit to team spirit tama yokhat laga khoi manglong da chancel laga mayam punamak se mai ki pi ngamba haisina akhoi gi commitment noigado bani haizai mayam player putting makta appeal tongningi loinana akoina sana khonaba matamda yam luri se isa gi patient without patience nothing goes patient nama yauna thabak tawraba madugi thabak tu soidana mai pakningai oirabani pakpham su thui not akoi gi samna have dedicate tawba aduga yam kanna actor laborious oiraga patient di yaw yaw daba masigi post su asoiba mani therefore aina loinamak akoi player khuding makta haijening badi when we work with the team we have to be really passionate enough with the thing that we are doing.